Today we have a 2013 Dodge Challenger. The smart window on the driver's side continues to go up and down until it kills the battery. So we'll be installing a door lock actuator to fix this. The first step is to remove the door panel. We do this by removing the 4 push pins here, 3 push pins on this side, 3 Phillips head screws under the door, and then 1 behind this cover and that cover. Next step is to pull this door panel off. I rolled up the window to give us room inside the door, and put the lock down so we don't have to hang on that as much. And we're going to pull the panel back. Here's the door panel. I'm going to come in over the top here. Pull this back a bit. There's a little plug here. I'll get that one in a minute. But there is a plug right here. Tabs on this side. There's another plug right here. Tabs on the other side. Squeeze. There it is. We got the first 2 plugs out. This third one is actually a little tab right here. And the bar for the handle. Pop this clip loose, push it back, bar comes out, and the door panel's free. After pulling the door panel off, we will need to pull the inner liner back so we can access the actuator. This is also the time to find all the clips from when we took the panel off the door. Look like this. You'll need those to pop all these clips back on. This plug gets squeezed on the back side to unlock it. This little tab here. And that's the first plug. I'm going to take this rod off. It's easy to get to. Take this one off too. And let's see if we can get this plug out. There it goes. After taking the 3 screws out of the door, they retain it. It literally fell. So, looks like all we have left is to work on this cable. First part of removing this cable is to pop it out. Okay, I'm going to see if I can make this work with the camera. It's got to be horizontal. Got to go in that right there and then hook down. It does look like it might have gone in. And it has. It's best to come at an angle from in front of that latch, like horizontal with the door, and try to get right inside of the clip and then turn it down. This yellow rod here is one of the more stubborn ones to put on, so I'm going to put it on first, or take off. So I'm going to put it on first. There you go. Then I'm going to bolt this back in to the door. One last check to ensure everything is done. There's 4 of these clips for these rods. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then 2 plugs. There's a plug down here and a plug up here. Everything is attached, so we're good. Let's put the plastic liner on the door so we can put everything back together. Actually, I think this goes here. Get this thing going here. This will probably have to be lined up pretty good. We don't want to miss these green holes. Those are all the clips for the door. So I do want to line those up so you don't have to fight them when you're putting the door panel on. Let's give it an initial test. I'm going to close it and make sure the smart windows work. Alright, everything looks good. Let's make sure the door handle opens. Everything seems to be good so far. Let's get the door panel on and make sure all the switches work as well. Let's take a look at the door panel before we put it on. We have 3 wires to hook up. One of the small one here, and then we'll have these 2 upwards facing plugs. Probably we'll have to do most of it by feel. I'll try to get the camera in best I can, and then a rod here. So 3 plugs and a rod. Let's get started. On this part, I'm going to line up these white snaps with the green holes right there and try to get the top 3 hung, and then the rest of it will snap on. It was easier when I lined up the front one first, but this one lined up next, and then just get everything else snapped in. Then we need to put the screws in and the clips around the outside edges. I put the Phillips head screw there, and the 3 across the bottom. These clips, I just pop the outside part of the clip in, and then take that core, and that's all good. Do the rest of them, the other 3 on that side, and you are good to go. One more step is to put these little covers on. There. And one right there. Just a quick function check. I've got the ignition on. Shut the door. Smart windows work. Roll up and down. Windows too. Oh man, it's kind of loud. Oh, I gotta fix that tent. All right. Everything works good.